guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! I feel much better, but I still can't bear the smell of fish and meat. I picked some sour fruit for you, Wanwan. Try some. Diba, pati si Sangyi, binibigay yung kailangan niya. Oh, it tastes sweet and sour. Diba, arte-arte pala niya maglihi. The sour and sweet taste has suppressed my discomfort. Thank you, Sangye. Pakit din agad eh. I'm glad you like it. But talaga sa kanila, no, dapat please nila yung mga babae, mga females nila. How was your business at the fair today? Not good. It has been in chaos everywhere lately. Most of the beasts rushed to escape. Why do they need to escape? Escape from what? And few of them came to buy vegetables. What's going on? The Black River tribe has been completely ruled by Bujin. He has been attacking the surrounding tribes crazily. Dito. Siya pala ang dahilan. Siguro yung fox ang nag-aano sa kanya. For sure naman yung fox talaga. The lucky beast ran away. Pero yung natira, patay. Kawawa naman. And those unlucky ones were captured and taken back to the Black River tribe. Kawawa naman sila. Their tribe doesn't need any slaves. Ano naman? It's strange for them to keep so many prisoners. Ginagawang potion ng babae. May naisip si Sangye. Ano kaya naisip niya? We should figure out the whereabouts of the prisoners in the Black River tribe. I saw some slaves were sent to Dark Moon Temple when I stayed there. All of them were prisoners of battle. You mean they take back those prisoners to send them to the temple? Maybe. When exerting the healing skill in the temple, they need to absorb the vitality of other creatures, usually animals and plants. If the seriously injured beast can't be saved by the vitality of animals and plants, they'll draw vitality from living sacrifices. Lo, grabe, ang sasama. Slaves are sacrifices for the healing skill. How cruel. Yeah, grabe sila. So, malaki pa rin pala yung beast world, ano? Hindi pa rin totally natin or ni Wanwan nakita yung whole picture ng beast world. In the eyes of the temple, slaves like animals and plants are lowly creatures. So, no one cares about their lives. I'm sorry for scaring you. I'm not scared, but feel a little unwell. Would you like to have a rest in the room? Ay, ito na naman si Baidi. So excited to see their child. Don't worry, I'd like to face up to it with you together. Yan naman yung patigas-tigas mo. You all want to protect me, but I also want to protect you. Stubborn. So cute ng chibi niya. Yung expression talaga. Okay, let's face up to it together. Whatever difficulties we encounter, we'll face up to them together. Of course. Together forever. Diba? Ito pa yung dalawang pogi. So, seryoso yung mukha ni Shuang Yun. Yung pogi-pogi niya. Chief! Ano na naman? Ano naman issue yan? Waiting at the foot of the mountain, the beast of the rabbit tribe went to see you. Rabbit tribe na naman yung hingi tulong. 1-1. Give me another contract scroll. Huh? Alam na niya eh. Alam niya na mangyayari. It seems that our tribe will expand again. Parami na ng parami ang kanilang tribe. Magiging super beast city na sila. At the foot of the mountain, Russell. Here comes the rabbit tribe. The cutie rabbit tribe. O diba yung chief nila? If this is the chief, parang hindi nata to chief eh. Parang patay nata yung chief nila. Mga girls na and kids. Dongya, what's wrong with you? Magkakilala sila. Oo nga naman. Kasi nagte-trade sila, diba, sa market. Ng mga fruits, gano'n. Our tribe was attacked by the Black River tribe. My dad died, and the others were captured. Anak siya ng chief. So, siya na yung chief ngayon. Wawa naman. We escaped by chance. We have nowhere to go. So, we have to come here and hope you can take us in. Naawa na naman si chief. Of course, nakakaawa naman talaga yung ganyan. Yung mamatayan, mawala ng mahal sa buhay. Why do you think to join us? In this forest, you and the Black River tribe are the most powerful tribes. Talaga? It's heard that you have taken in some beast of the Wild Horse tribe. I believe you will not turn our back on us. Do you know why they can stay here? Nagko-cover siya, no? Pag iba yung ano. Iba yung kausap. Why? Yan na naman. Because they sold their souls to me. Tinakot niya yung mga rabbit. Akala ko talaga matino na to kausap tong taong to eh. Talaga, sira talaga.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next